Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can add playlist in your video description. So what does that mean is that if you see, this is a playlist which I have created, and just for examples I have just added this playlist. You can see the playlist appear tells about the travel podcast on Meghalaya. So I added the playlist over here. You can see this is appearing. So if someone likes the video and wants to explore more videos pertaining to Meghalaya, they don't have to go anywhere. They can just see, and I've added this in the first line of my video. This helps. First thing is expose more videos to the viewers, uh, improves my channel discoverability, improves the overall search engine optimization of the videos, and is a very good trick, underrated trick to improve the SEO of your overall videos. So how do we do this, right? So just for example, I am taking, so if you see this example, this is the exact video what I have done. So this is my other channel based on travel, and I have created a lot many playlists over here already. So I will show one example wherein suppose this Egypt playlist is has 194 videos. I will just click on this get shareable link. Now I will go to my content, and so I will just add the playlist to this video. So now I have added this link in the video description of my video, and I will show you how it appears, right? So when I click this video on YouTube, you can see it is appearing over here. Check out our experiences of exploring Egypt. And once I click on this, the overall playlist of Egypt will appear with all my vlogs. And this you can arrange. I have obviously created a playlist, how to create a playlist today. You can see, check that, and go about creating playlists. So this is a very underrated hack of including playlists in your video description. Do try out and let me know. In case of any queries, drop one in the comments. And if you like this video, do like and follow our channel.